Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're exploring the broader world of maintenance tools beyond those you might carry on a belt or use to repair assets. We'll be giving insights into how various analyses can help identify why and when assets fail, and the importance of standards, regulations, and documentation in maintaining organization and compliance. By the end of this video, you'll gain a better understanding of how these unconventional tools can promote an environment where proactive and precision maintenance flourish. Let's dive right into the world of maintenance tools. There are other tools that help maintenance teams improve things beyond physical assets. For example, various types of analyses are used to gather insights about why and when assets fail. And we can't forget about standards, regulations, and other documentation that keep maintenance teams organized and compliant. Using these maintenance tools will help you build an environment in which proactive and precision maintenance can thrive. First, let's talk about the different types of analyses. We have the PF curve, which is a graph that shows the health of equipment over time. This helps identify the interval between potential failure and functional failure. Then there is failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA for short. This is a process that helps organizations identify potential failures with assets and other areas of business. Next, we have root cause analysis, or RCA. This is a systematic process of identifying the origin of an incident. Lean Six Sigma is another process that aims to systematically eliminate waste and reduce variation. Supervisory control and data acquisition systems, or SCADA systems, are computer systems used to monitor and control plant processes. Lastly, we have planned maintenance optimization, or PMO. This is a method of improving maintenance strategies based on existing preventive maintenance routines and available failure history. Now let's move on to standards. To comply with ISO 55000, you must have an asset management system. This system establishes the policies, objectives, and processes needed to achieve an organization's goals. The components of an asset management system that are listed out in ISO 55000 are elaborated on in ISO 55001. These components include organizational context, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and improvement. ISO 55002 provides the most significant details needed to achieve compliance with ISO 55000. And then there's SAE JA 1011, which was initially developed by the commercial aviation industry to improve the safety and reliability of their equipment. Because of this, it's known as a reliability-centered maintenance process. Next, let's talk about regulation. FDA inspections are typically conducted by reviewing systems which correspond to the subparts that are applicable to the type of product or facility being audited. In the case of maintenance, subparts for buildings and facilities and equipment are of the main concern. Maintenance workers are among the many workers that are exposed to workplace hazards on a daily basis. OSHA aims to protect them by providing access to information for vulnerable workers in high-risk jobs. There are specific deductible and capital improvement costs that are directly related to maintenance operations, and the IRS provides information about how it allows businesses to recover those costs. Finally, let's discuss some important documents. An equipment maintenance log is a document that records activities that have been performed on an asset. An operation and maintenance manual is a comprehensive document that provides all the details necessary about a physical plant, as well as individual pieces of equipment to help the maintenance staff keep everything running smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the different types of maintenance tools that go beyond the physical. Remember, using these tools will help you build an environment where proactive and precision maintenance can thrive. Thank you for watching. We've covered a lot today, from analyses to standards, regulations, and documentation that can help your maintenance team be more successful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference.